sit down, you sit down.
We out here, guys. Another day, another vlog with all the Beamer homies. What's up, homie? How are you? G80? M4 GTS? Fake M4 GTS?
What's up, G?
Hi, G. Who are you talking to?
Alright, buddy.
Who was that? Oh, the orange. Sheesh. This is the squad today, guys. We got G80s. We got the M4 GTS. My F80 over there. This AMG GT. I love these. If I already get an AMG, it'd definitely be this one, guys. It's just fire. Sand black too. Another F80. Damn, that paint is nice. And then the homie with the red one that you guys have been seeing in the vlogs lately. We about to head to a meet tonight, guys. Pretty much like a Tokyo Drift style meet. It's a full parking structure, and it's gonna be full watch. Well, look, Kevin. Kevin's making fun of me for vlogging. Oh, I need that on. For all the people that have been telling me to put a wing on.
There you go.
Look, that's how it would look.
Dude, that shit looks sick. That shit looks sick.
Okay, wait, that actually does look kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. That actually does look good. I have not seen it with the wing.
Almost like a CS style. It is a CS style. Oh shit, that shit looks sick.
What do you guys think? Should we do it? Sheesh, I'll buy it. I'll buy it from you. But it actually looks good.
Yeah, I like it.
It changes up the whole look, huh?
It looks beefier.
I like it without the wing, but I mean, I haven't seen it with the wing, so I don't know. Looks so good when the wheels are clean too.
You watched it?
Yup.
Rich.
Shit's hella clean, huh?
Rich.
I love when these wheels are clean, bro. Look at that shit. But I don't know. Maybe we might have to throw a wing on it. It kind of does look good. Or should we put a big ass wing like that? Like Kevin's
Calm down. It's not
GTS
that
wing. That's just huge as It does look good though, guys. Yes or no? Comment down below right now. I like it. It's actually kind of clean. Carbon fiber. There's a bunch of different styles too. We can go with something bigger, smaller, but I do like it. I'm gonna have to steal it from the homie. So yeah, guys, we're heading to a car meet right now. We got a bunch of homies with us. Like I said, this meet is at a parking garage, which I already know is gonna get shut down. Cops are gonna be here. I'm calling it right now. Every time they throw a meet at this parking garage, oh my god. What the fuck, bro? That was crazy. I hope you guys saw that. What the heck, bro? That was crazy. But yeah, like I was saying, guys, every time they throw a meet at this parking garage, it gets shut down by cops. Like helicopters and all, bro. So let's go and get some content. And also, thank you guys for watching another video. If you guys are new, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. Now let's get into the video. All the BMW noises. It's crazy how like an exhaust changes the whole tone of an F80 though. Oh my god. Oh my god, that shit got bumpy, bro. I literally got airborne. That was crazy. It's not easy driving stick shift and driving, let alone, and vlogging at the same time, guys. Not easy. Alright, I didn't film that little cruise. I tried. I filmed a little bit, but these BMW guys are crazy. Everyone had their burble tunes on max, bro. And we were just smashing on that back road. Definitely somebody called the cops, bro, because that shit was like gunshots coming out of 7 BMWs. But anyways, we are up the street from the meet. We about to get there right now. We showing up super early, actually, like an hour early before the meet. Probably like 40 minutes before the meet starts, but still, we're pretty early.
How's it shut down already?
You seen that?
Yes.
Bro, the cops aren't stupid. I'm sure they see it on Instagram.
Oh my god.
Where you at?
So now I was right behind you, but I lost you guys.
Alright, so you guys heard Kevin on the phone. We drove by the meet and it was already shut down. The cops are already waiting. I'm sure they already know, bro. They've seen the Instagrams. They've seen everyone posting it, so they knew exactly where it was. And we literally passed by and there's like 3 cops just blocking all the entrances so no one could get in. And we're an hour early. But I guess they changed the location to like downtown LA now. I don't know if anyone's down to go because downtown LA gets super packed.
Probably at 76.
Yeah, so we might do our own thing again, bro. I mean, we got a lot of cars with us already. A bunch of BMWs and a Mercedes. Yeah, the meets are hot. Like, the only reason I want to go is to film, like, the cops and how crazy it gets. But I don't know if it's worth it, bro. Is that for me, sir? Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. We got some details for it because yesterday I parked under a tree. And look at this. I think it's like tree sap, bro. That shit's ruining my carbon. I'm going to take it off real quick.
FindingNick details? It's bird shit, bro. You park under a tree, that shit's all over your car.
There you go, it's all clean now. I don't know what it was, bird shit or tree sap. But something, damn, you can actually like kind of see still. That shit messed up my carbon fiber, guys. Damn, big baller. Freaking Performante. So yeah, guys, I don't know what we're gonna do today because that car meet's kind of a fail. I already know, guys, it is gonna be cool content because of the cops shutting it down and how crazy it's gonna get. But I don't think it's worth the drive. It's like 30 minutes from where we're at just for it to get shut down. So I think we might just do our own little thing again. That's what we've been doing the past couple days. Gather a bunch of homies from LA. Today is like all BMWs, literally. My boy brought out the Lambo. This dude has crazy cars, guys. Sheesh, freaking Performante. All his cars are blue, by the way. You got a blue Performante, and you got that blue 765 LT, I think that's what it's called, in the last vlog. All the blue cars.
Okay, go back to the exhaust.
Yeah, let me go.
Okay, so stage 3. Go stage 3.
What's he about to do, bro? You want to show us something? Oh, the valves or something. What the?
Oh my gosh, it's like a Prius.
That's pretty sick. That's closed?
That's closed.
Or is that open?
Sport? Sport. Can't go wrong with a V10.
This shit hard on.
Now it's important.
Is it the sport mode? God damn. Kevin's for sure wet. Damn, bro.
A lot of fenders.
Performante. That shit is so fire, guys. Look who just pulled up. You will not guess. Peter, bro. No way. And look what he did to it. He literally put slicks on it, guys. And a tire. Now it looks fast. Now it don't look stock. Now he's gonna get pulled over. Bro, that shit is clean with the tire on it. I feel like CTSVs need like a big ass tire like that. Yeah, that shit looks hard.
Bro, look at it from the back. It's like,
Bro, honestly, now that Peter likes the chrome, guys. I told him to do a chrome delete all black, but
because it has a fucking polished
it
wheel.
does look kind of good with these wheels.
And look how close.
What's going on,
Hey,
bro?
you thought your brake calipers were close to your fucking wheel? Look at this shit.
Oh yeah, it is pretty close, brother. How does that even fit? Damn.
Exactly my point.
Damn, that shit is close.
That shit's close as fuck.
Bro, it looks so good. Wagon is just so hard, but like I said, I think it needed the tire, dude. I feel like they look so good on these cars. Peter said he picked them up for a steal.
Remember that one? Yeah. A 6 deal. I pretty much stole them.
Look at this, they got slicks. They're not like the drag radials I have. There's Mickey Thompson's, but
I need to get yours.
yeah, these are like the drag racing ones. Look how bald it is. Those are not safe, brother.
These are ET Street R's.
That's in the rain? I think it might rain tomorrow.
Traction control on?
It might rain tomorrow.
I'm not taking it.
He actually needs the tire, okay, guys? A lot of Mustangs, Paponos be putting tires on it. You don't need more tires.
Scat packs are just enough to delete.
Same with me, though. I look, you got big ass fat tires on GTR. It looks like it makes 1,000 horsepower, but it makes like 600.
Like, it's so crazy.
Nah, it looks good, though. That's just clean look.
I know.
With Conce wheels? Shout out to Conce. That was my sponsor on my E46.
Actually, straighten though, yo.
Oh, straighten it? Nah, it looks cool.
Same car, no E46?
E46, brother. But mine's a real M3.
That's messed up. I know, that's
Verbal?
Rich?
Guys, look at the G80. Is it really Ferrari red? Nah, that's more orange, bro. Oh my god, dude. That's the perfect G80. God damn, it's on BBS's and it's red. I've never seen this one. What red is that? On BBS's, guys? If I had a G80 and unlimited money, it would be this one. We got like $10,000 wheels on. You know, BBS is like 10 grand now. Whenever you see BBSs, guys, they pay like at least 10 grand, bro. 8 grand, 10 grand. They look good though. Dude, back then, when I had my 992, I almost built a set of BBSs. Same ones, 3 grand, bro. 3 grand, that's how much they were back then. Now everyone has BBSs and they're just taxing now. 9 grand, 10 grand. They quoted me like 10 grand for the GTR. Or 12 grand, I don't know. It is just so nice.
I like the Netty.
Why have you not got one of these?
Can't afford it.
Shut up! Look at
Swear.
your shoes.
Old shoes from 2016.
Alright guys, well since the meet was kind of a fail, we're also gonna go get some dinner real quick. And I think later on we might meet up with some more homies and do some more car stuff, but for now we're about to go grab some food with all the homies. You can actually hear the supercharger. Bro, it's stuck, bro. What the fuck?
Turn the car off.
It is off.
Completely.
It is, bro. Bro, this is bad.
Oh my god, bro. Where are you?
In front of it.
Bruh.
Bro, I can't make this up, bro.
You're in front of Joey's?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, well, I'll be down there. What the fuck? Did it stop?
Bro. I literally had to unplug the battery. Thank God I had tools in me. Guys, I don't know what happened. As I was getting off the freeway. Oh my God, homie. As I was getting off the freeway, I pushed the horn to honk at somebody and it got stuck on, guys. So obviously, I think something's wrong when I installed the steering wheel. That was so embarrassing. I drove for about like 2 minutes straight with the horn just on, dude. And I parked in this parking lot, causing so much attention, bro. Bro, I don't know what to do, guys. I had to unplug the battery.
And it's still on?
No, it was going on for like 2 minutes straight. I unplugged the battery to shut it up, but I think what's going on is, obviously I didn't install the steering wheel right.
You dumbass.
And I tried honking at someone when I...
No, what we'll do is, just leave it unplugged for now, kill the battery. Oh, what's it called? And then we'll pull the fuse to the horn, the actual fuse.
No, bro, all I gotta do is just take off the horn and just fix the... whatever is broken. I mean, whatever I left on or something.
I'll be right there, we're coming down.
Okay, bye. Oh my God, guys. Okay, so, real quick, like I said, I was getting off the freeway. I honked at somebody, the first time ever using the horn since installing the new steering wheel. You guys remember, we got the new steering wheel on, and in the vlog, I installed it myself. Obviously, this is why I don't touch cars, and this is why I don't work on cars, because everything goes wrong, bro. So I don't know what I did. I must have like, I don't know, bro. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe one of the wires is like touching the horn wire. I don't know what could be wrong, but I pressed the horn for the first time. I tried to honk at someone. It just held on, like it just stayed on. For literally 5 minutes, guys. 2 minutes on the street, and then right here for like another 2 minutes while I was trying to find these tools. Thank God I still had this 10mm in my car. I ran to the trunk, unplugged the battery. So the battery's unplugged, guys. I think the homies are gonna come bring like a screwdriver. I'm gonna try to pop off this airbag and see what I messed up. I can't believe this happened, guys. Dude, okay, so I installed the steering wheel myself.
Oh, that's the
That's
problem.
the problem number one. But I've never pushed the horn up until now. I had to push the horn at someone at the light. Bro,
You know what I thought?
it got stuck on.
Someone was honking at us because they were mad.
No, bro, watch, like, I'm gonna try to plug it in, watch, like it's gonna honk.
No, don't do it, don't do it.
Wait, just do it, just do it.
Oh, it's not doing it.
Okay, chilling. So just don't press your horn.
Bro, the horn literally got stuck.
Well, all you had to, maybe all
Now
you did was
it
just
doesn't even
reset
work.
it. Maybe it just reset it.
Nah, bro, I don't know, but it was.
Even park it then.
I mean, I guess it's fine, but I gotta fix it one of these days.
Look, you're never gonna use a horn.
Yeah, but what if it starts going off again randomly?
Hey, this steering wheel's pretty fucking nice.
You like it? All right, well, I'm gonna just try to put the battery back on, and then hopefully the horn's not working anymore, guys. I don't know what's going on. I'm just scared that the horn's gonna do it again. and where I'm out in public and the horn just stays on.
Bro, I always have those on my image.
Everyone was looking at me like, what the
They're probably, hey, this little Mexican stealing this car.
Hey, the ballet guy is still in the car.
Paisano stealing the car.
You didn't hear when I passed you guys?
I did not hear it, no.
I heard someone was sleeping.
I did not hear it, bro.
Yeah.
And everyone was like honking back at me.
Finding valet Nick.
How embarrassing, bro. All right, bro, we're glad it doesn't honk anymore, but we're gonna go eat, so.
Alright, later, bro.
Bro, you still have your
Guys, how does that even happen? Have you guys ever heard of something like that? Where the horn gets stuck? It's for sure something when he installed. Because there's no way that the horn is just gonna get stuck with that. For sure it was something he probably did wrong when he was installing the, you know, the steering wheel. Hey, if it's happening again, I'm rolling up this window.
Bro, I was so embarrassed. I didn't know what to do, bro. Well, I unplugged the battery and now the horn just doesn't work anymore, guys.
No, hell no, don't do it, don't do it. You're gonna get stuck, bro.
Should I rev it?
Yeah, wait, let me get it.
What, Kevin? Alright, we gotta get out of here. Oh my god, bro. God damn, that shit sounded like a gunshot, bro.
Let me hear it. Go. Do it again.
They're about to come out here and keep my car, bro. Alright, guys, about to grab food right here, but look at this thing that's parked outside. Guys, it's freaking a red Urus wide body. God damn, this shit is perfect. Oh, he got hit. But wow, dude, that shit is literally perfect, dude. That shit nice. All red. And those wheels, everything's red. The lip, everything. And his wide body. Must be nice. Freaking shake, some fries, burger. Oh, this shit looks bomb. We were supposed to go to a fancy restaurant.
Don't come. Don't show that. I don't know who this is.
Guys, I don't know if you've been to Shake Shack, but Shake Shack or In-N-Out, bro. Everyone's saying Shake Shack.
These buns are soft.
Bro, I think this is better than In-N-Out. I know us in California, we have to rep In-N-Out, you know, but this shit way better though.
9 a.m. In-N-Out's
With the peppers? Damn.
Well, In-N-Out's trash compared to this. In-N-Out's good, but compared to this, it's like...
This is like In-N-Out, it feels like an upscale area.
Yeah, it's like fancy In-N-Out. No way we park like this, guys. Unplanned. Gray, red, gray, pretty much red, gray. No way. Anyways, we got some food now. I can't believe that happened to my horn, guys. I think we're gonna try to take off the horn real quick just to see. But I need to figure out why the horn is going off like that. I looked it up online. Supposedly they said like maybe the springs, there's like springs behind the horn. And that's what causes like the horn to go off. Maybe one of the springs is like crooked. I guess someone's had the same exact issue. They got a new steering wheel and it happened to them too. It got stuck. But the horn doesn't even work at all. We're gonna try to take off this steering wheel again for like the third time. This wire was in the way, look, because the wire was like that.
This blue eye or this one right here?
Nah, this one was
Oh,
like,
that one? Nice, huh?
It does feel better now though. Before it wasn't even going in, bro. I think that wire was stuck.
Probably.
We got it to work, guys. Now I actually have a horn. I did open it and there was a wire like blocking the little, like I said, there's 2 springs. I thought there was 3, but there's 2 springs and I think one of the wires was like getting caught on it. So it wasn't, you couldn't even push it down. That's how I knew I didn't put it on right. Watch the airbag explode on me when I'm driving. Imagine that actually happened. So loud. I think me and him are the loudest at Fades for sure. Yeah, guys, we all going home now. Oh my god. But yeah, guys, I think we're gonna call it a night because tomorrow morning there's a early car meet. We gotta be up at like 7 in the morning, so we're probably gonna call it a night and then go to this early Cars and Coffee in the morning.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only